Welcome to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, your go-to shop for Samsung smartphone repairs in Australia. Today, we'll talk about ASUS ROG Phone 6 and some of most commonly asked question on its pricing. Let's go! Why is ASUS ROG Phone 6 expensive? The ASUS ROG Phone 6 is expensive because it offers a premium gaming experience on a mobile device. It has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, up to 18GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, a 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, and a dual rear camera system with a 64MP main sensor. It also features an advanced cooling system, a customizable RGB logo, and a range of accessories such as the AeroActive Cooler 6, the ROG Kunai 3 Gamepad, and the ROG Clip. These features make the ASUS ROG Phone 6 one of the most powerful and versatile gaming phones on the market, but they also come at a high cost. Is ASUS ROG Phone 6 good quality? The ASUS ROG Phone 6 is a high-end smartphone designed for gaming enthusiasts. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, up to 18GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, a 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, and a dual rear camera setup with a 64MP main sensor. The phone also has a unique design with RGB lighting, air triggers, and a secondary display on the back. The phone runs on Android 11 with ROG UI, which offers various customization options and gaming modes. The ASUS ROG Phone 6 is good quality in terms of performance, display, battery life, and gaming features. It can handle any game or app with ease and deliver a smooth and immersive experience. The phone also has a durable build quality and a water-resistant rating of COVALENTI1P68. However, the phone is not perfect and has some drawbacks, such as its bulky and heavy design, its lack of wireless charging and stereo speakers, its mediocre camera quality, and its high price tag. Therefore, the ASUS ROG Phone 6 is good quality for gamers who prioritize performance and gaming features over other aspects, but it may not be the best choice for everyone. What is ASUS ROG Phone 6 famous for? ASUS ROG Phone 6 is famous for being a gaming smartphone with class-leading performance and thermal system. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform, a GameCool 6 thermal system, a 165Hz AMOLED display, a 6000 mAh battery, and a RGB logo on the back. It also supports various accessories such as a detachable fan, a gamepad, and a screen protector. It has won several awards and received positive reviews from critics and users. Is ASUS a good smartphone brand? ASUS is a well-known brand that produces various electronic devices, including smartphones. ASUS smartphones are generally considered to be good in terms of performance, design, and features. They offer a range of models to suit different needs and budgets, from flagship devices to budget-friendly ones. ASUS smartphones also have some unique features, such as the flip camera on the Zenfone series, or the dual screen on the ROG Phone series. However, ASUS smartphones may not be the best choice for everyone, as they may have some drawbacks, such as limited availability in some regions, lack of software updates, or compatibility issues with some carriers. Therefore, whether ASUS is a good smartphone brand depends on your personal preferences and expectations.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
There are some shards of glass remaining on the housing, so we're just gonna clean it up with bare hands, bare fingers. Nothing to worry about, we're just gonna clean it up. Just a quick one. And then we're just gonna put our own liquid adhesive around where the display may contact with the housing. Just enough so that it will provide some level of water resistance. It's not really the same with factory, but this is gonna hold on to the new display like we're gonna install here. I'm gonna slide in the connector for the display that goes through the housing. So we're gonna pull that out on the other side. And then we're gonna focus now on positioning the replacement display. It's gonna be fiddly. And then press it in. We're gonna use the housing as our main guide. Make sure the front camera is not contaminated by adhesive. And now we're gonna attach the connector for the display. So that's it, we're halfway done. If you have an ASUS ROG Phone 6 that needs a new display and you don't want to do it and you can't repair your own device, or maybe you don't have a repair technician that is willing to undertake this kind of repair, just message us here, Sydney CBD Repair Center. We're gonna provide you with a free diagnostics. We'll see if we have parts for your ROG Phone 6 or your iPhones or Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And you can also visit us. If you can't visit us though, you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll receive it. Give it a try fixing it here in the shop, and then once it's fixed, we're gonna send it back to you. We're just gonna reverse everything that we have done. Just gonna be fast forwarding the video. It took a while. The ROG Phone 6 is more complicated than your standard smartphone screen replacement. It leans towards on the more complicated side because of its design and assembly structure. As you can see here, David's just inspecting the situation up front. We're gonna test it finally, and thankfully it's booting up. We're just gonna clean off some residue from the adhesive. We're gonna install the back cover. We're gonna secure that connector, and we're gonna close up the device. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. If you are trying to learn how to fix an ROG Phone 6, maybe this video can help you out a bit. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, we'll see you again. Take care of yourself. Cheers.